Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today I'm out here at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. That's right, I'm by myself today, but that's all right. We're going to get through this one right here. It's a different layout for a bunkhouse camper. So let's stick around and let's see what this one looks like. It is a 2026 Venture Sporttrek model number 271VBH. So let's get started. The length on this Sporttrek is 33 feet. The dry weight is 6,980 pounds with a hitch weight of 880. GVWR of 9,240. So let me walk around here on the campsite. And you see that awning, it is a 21-foot awning. So let's walk around and just kind of take a quick look here on the outside. And as you can see, you do have the BAL stabilizing system. That's pretty cool. Batteries quick connect, battery disconnect, is right here. And going down here, let's check this pass-through storage. Nice storage. There's your docking station with your freshwater tank connections. All that's right there. This is a 50 amp camper. And let's take a look down here. You got electric stabilizers. Here's your dump station right here. And you have a rack and pinion slide right here. Really, really cool. All right. There is your spare is up under. And we got a little storage right here. Oh, now that is sharp right back here on the back. And we have one, and get to it. Well, I gotta have both hands. There we go. Now, that is neat. I like that. Love the storage. We do have a, let's see, maximum load capacity 250 pounds back here. So you put a bike rack. And you've got a ladder. And the ladder says maximum of 250 pounds. Tankless water heater. And you get the nice steps on each door. Here you go. You got a little outside kitchen with a fridge. And your quick connect is down below. Let's take a look at this other side of the pass-through storage. You got a Bluetooth speaker. You've got your tire link already prepped. Nice storage. All right, folks, let's go inside and take a look at this 271VBH. All right, as we're stepping up in, we'll take a glance here around, and we will turn around, oops, and take a look at this. Now, I have not seen this table set up like this. This is actually really cool. But you can see you've got bed, bunk bed here, bunk bed on the bottom. Both are rated at 500 pounds. Actually said that, showed it to somebody in a video once, and they told me I was a liar. Well, that's what they say. And there is your cabinet back here. There is, looks like power and USB back up here on this top bunk. Now this arrangement right here, this, let's see if I can do it one-handed. This will pick up and, well, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. I'll get back to you. Now, as you can see, you can move this table any way you need, up against the wall, out like this. And you've got power on this side and power over there. Well, I have not seen this before. This is actually really cool. And if you sit down here in your theater seat slash couch, you're looking right at your 50-inch TV. There's your fireplace. And you can see that your TV is on a televator. Hi. Up at the top, you do have some storage up there. And if I back up a little bit, you can see there is your first air conditioner. Now coming into your kitchen area, stove, 3-burner cooktop with your oven, and looks like it's an air fryer oven. Awesome. You do have a small microwave, hood range, and your cutting board that Venture always gives in every unit. All right, up top, got a cabinet here. And a cabinet here. Got power. Let's see, you got a light right there. Let's look at these drawers. 4 drawers. Really nice. And up under the sink, yes, you definitely have room for a garbage can under there. Now, over in your slide, kind of went past this, but you can see there's your couch slash theater seat with your cup holders. That's right, and your charging station. Back here you do have blackout shades, roller shades, and that sunshine is booming out here. Also in your slide you have your pantry area, and these are on adjustable shelves, which are really, really cool. And your fridge and pull out freezer. Awesome. All right. Already has equipped with the RV airflow system. Cool. And there's your solar controller. And there you go. Level Mate Pro. In the bathroom, as we're stepping into the bathroom, you do have a mirrored medicine cabinet. Nice sink. Got some shelving over here. Up under. Yes, little room under there. Plug in your motion light. As we spin around, you do have a porcelain foot flush toilet and a shower. Nice 30 by 36 shower. I can tell you right now, I fit just fine. All right, you see your heating vents are in the floor. In the bedroom, a true queen, 60 by 80 true queen bed. Let me turn a little light on. We'll look at some your hanging storage here. Got that front windshield with, yes, your shade. There's some more lights I didn't even have on. And there is storage all the way across the top. And while I'm looking up, there is your second AC unit. You do have a TV backer location right over here on this side where your power and cable are located. You do have some hooks over here on this side. Your fuses down here. And let's take a look under the bed. under the bed. Nice storage under there. All right, folks. Let me just go ahead and open this one while I'm over here. Yes, there you go. There's your other side. All right, folks. What do you think about this Venture 271 VBH? All right, everybody. If you enjoy our videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And like we've said before, we are now affiliates with Liquefied, so check out all that information in this description of this video. All right, everybody, tell me what you think. This is a little different. And subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.